Active traders track highly sensitive data, like broker info, trade history, and strategy notes. Because manually pulling 50 executions from different brokerages leaves personal account details completely exposed. A secure trading journal like TradeZella fixes this. It automatically syncs your trades from over 500 brokers, passing them through a secure encrypted tunnel. This prevents data bleed. If you mix up prop firm rules and personal capital, you risk critical exposure. But TradeZella immediately isolates this incoming data, sorting it into strictly separated account dashboards. This privacy extends to sharing, too. You can generate scrubbed performance reports for mentors without leaking account numbers. With your data safely locked down, you get a fully structured workflow. This powers advanced analytics, mistake tags, trade replay, and backtesting playbooks. So instead of 50 messy, exposed executions, your entire operational edge is kept completely private by default. The most secure journal helps you improve while handling your data carefully. Protect your edge. Try TradeZella today and get 20% off through the link below.